Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Enjoy watching!
Okay guys, now it's clean already. And this one, the last caterpillar, is already pre-pupa stage 1.
Several days later.
Hi guys, update on our beautiful Papilio polytis chrysalis. This morning there's one hatch. Actually yesterday there's one Papilio demolius, Papilio polytis that was hatched yesterday morning, and I forgot to record or take a video. But this morning I noticed that there's one Papilio polytis, or the common Mormon, that hatched. So we'll see. I will open this screen cover. You can see it closely and near. Okay, newly hatched. This is newly hatched Papilio polytis. There. So the chrysalis is here. It's the chrysalis. It's empty already. So she's out. She's very beautiful. And this is a female Papilio polytis. And this Papilio polytis female, for the common Mormon, is polymorphic, meaning it has several forms or morphs, like the Cyrus, the Stitius, and the Romulus. They mimic different forms, or they mimic different swallowtail butterflies, like the red-bodied swallowtails, or the crimson rose, or the common rose butterflies, and also the black-bodied swallowtails, the Papilio polytis, Papilio helenus. And this beautiful female here is Papilio polytis. And the other red-bodied swallowtails, or the common rose and the crimson rose, is called Pachyopta pandiana, and also the Pachyopta aristolochiae. They have different patterns or colors as well, forms of the white, and there's blue and red on the hind wings. So this female here, we'll see if it transfer to my finger. See, it's very beautiful female Papilio polytis. And this is the first female. Yesterday it was a male, but I forgot to record it or take a video or a picture. So we'll place this inside our house later, because the wings are still wet. If you can feel it, silhouette under and also over. Yeah, and if I don't know if you can zoom in closely or there. Okay, there. It's very beautiful. Black with red, orange, then there's white. Male has only black here, and then there's across there's a white pattern, and then females are colorful compared to the males. That's why this female Papilio holitis, they mimic other red-bodied swallowtail because the red-bodied swallowtail is unedible, and they have beautiful colors. When the predator sees that the colors are very bright, and so they think that it's poisonous. So guys, okay, let's place it there back, and later we'll transfer it to, and also you can see the there, so that we can see the under. So it's a beautiful pattern. So this is the hind wing, and this is the upper wing, and as you can see the pattern, the male Papilio holitis has only the white here cross going to the upper. So I will show you a picture of the Papilio holitis male, so that you can distinguish the male and female. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye. See you in our next video.